And hello, dear friends. Now that we've briefly navigated the shores of what apologetics is not, and why it matters, we can touch on the types of apologetic methodology. Because, yes, there is more than one way to argue for the defense of the faith. Many, actually. Although for brevity, I'll focus on what I believe to be the top three: classical, evidential, and presuppositional apologetics. We'll start with classical. Classical apologetics relies on reasoned arguments and philosophical principles to establish the existence of God and rationality of faith. It emphasizes the use of logic and evidence to present a persuasive case study for Christianity. For example, the ontological argument for the existence of God. Some notable classical apologists include R.C. Sproul, William Lane Craig, and Norman Geisler. For evidential apologetics, this seeks to provide historical and scientific evidence to support the truth of Christianity. It draws upon facts, data, and empirical observations to demonstrate the credibility of Christian claims, such as the resurrection of Jesus Christ. Some notable evidential apologists here include Josh McDowell, Lee Strobel, and John Warwick Montgomery. And lastly, the one that takes a rather unique approach is presuppositional apologetics. It starts with the belief that faith in God is the necessary foundation for all reasoning. This method challenges the assumptions of non-believers, asserting that without acknowledging God as the ultimate authority, human reasoning lacks a coherent basis. For example, accounting for the preconditions of intelligibility. Notable presuppositional apologists include Cornelius Van Til, Greg Bahnsen, and K. Scott Oliphant. If you're scratching your head at some of these terms or phrases, good! That's on purpose for you to go and look it up on your own and learn more. At this point, some of you might be thinking, okay, there are three main methods of apologetics. Is there a preferred or best method? For that, I answer in the affirmative. Absolutely there is. So which one is it? You're going to have to find out in the final video. Until then, stay faithful, my friends.